Hi, now I will show you how to import product on your Shopify store by AliExpress. First click apps, then click Dsers AliExpress dropshipping app, then click open to Dsers. You can see this interface. Now click import list. Now go to another tab and open aliexpress.com. You can see I am going to AliExpress, then charge your product. Suppose I need a home decor product, click here. Then select your imported product. I will select most ordered product. Then I can see this product is listed by AliExpress home decor category under. Then I will select a product. Suppose I select this product, uh, copy this product link and go to again your Dsers apps and you go to import list, then click search and import option, then paste your AliExpress product link and click OK. Then you can see this interface product uploaded, but you need some customize. Click pen icon, then select your product title. Example, this is LED night light for children and baby kids. This I will short this product title, then select your collection. Suppose I select shop now collection, then product type, copy this title and paste product type here. Then select a tag, then select a vendor. Vendor meaning store owner. When it's done, then go to very end and select all. Recent price is total price 5 into 98 cent. Select here and change price. Suppose this price is with our profit, then you if you want to show you discount price, then select change competitor, compare price at, then select a price here, then click OK, then click save. And last step is hover this product your mouse and click this icon and select if it not selected all, select all just without this option and push to your store. Then wait for upload your product, just few seconds you can see uploaded your product on your Shopify store. You can see successful published on product. Then go to your store and go your product, go to your collection, then go to shop now. Because I this product uploaded shop now under collection. Then you can see this product I uploaded recently. Then click view. You can see your product here. This is your product. Thank you so much for watching this. Best of luck for your store. Thank you.